Hey you guys, so I am gonna see if this works. I may have to cut this abruptly short, and if that's the case, then I will do a recording and I will post this after. But as promised, so Kenzleigh didn't get really a nap in. She slept for like 8 minutes, and that was about it. So she's here, she's in her bouncer, it's on vibrate. I didn't want to turn on the music and drive you guys crazy with that, so we'll see what happens. Right now, she is content, and I'm hoping that it will stay that way. But I wanted to come in and do a quick, not really a tutorial, but a quick review and just kind of explain the weighted sleeper that I used last night. I know it was only night 1, but she slept for 3 hours, got up to eat, and then I actually had to wake her up after 4 hours after that. So far, night 1 was a success. We'll try it again tonight. I did try it for her nap earlier, and she was not having it, but I think that she was more hungry than she was tired. So we'll see what happens with night 2. I'm going to give it a shot for the whole week, kind of go from there, and then maybe I'll come in and do another review afterwards to let you guys know how the week went. But so the one that I used last night is the Dreamland Sleep Swaddle. So it's for babies that are, I think, 0 to 6 months. So it's big, so it's got room for them to grow. It's by Dreamland Baby. It comes in 4 different colors. I think it was white, maybe gray, like a teal, and then this pink one. So I really love it. It's good quality. It's soft. It's a weighted, similar to a weighted blanket. So it feels like it's filled with sand or beads. I think it's filled with beads. It's stitched in like a quilt pattern so that the weight is distributed evenly from top to bottom, which is super helpful. It's not going to all bunch up on her and stuff like that. It's got because it's a swaddle, it's got like the Velcro part inside of it. If she cooperates, I will try to put her in it by the end of this video so that you guys can see. If not, you guys can Google it. I don't know if she's gonna let me, but we're gonna give it a shot. So it's got this swaddle on the inside, so you can wrap them up. You can also, it zips, but it doesn't go all the way, so you don't have to worry about zipping it undone, but it zips all the way to the top, so it zips into their neck, up to their neckline. But what I really like about it is that it actually zips from the bottom, so it makes diaper changes in the middle of the night super helpful and super convenient. I wouldn't say easy, because no diaper change is really easy, but so I really like that about it. There was something else that I was just gonna say, and I don't remember what it is, because mommy brain. But another thing that I really like about it is it's got snaps up by the arms. So you can actually, if they don't want to be completely swaddled, they don't have to be. You can leave their arms out. So I tried, like I said, to put her down for her nap, and I swaddled her, and she's hated being swaddled since day 1 that I brought her home. She was okay with it in the hospital. Bless you, baby girl. She was fine with it in the hospital, but as soon as I got home, she was having none of it. So she literally has not been swaddled since I got back from the hospital. She likes to sleep with both arms up. So when I put her down for her nap earlier, I did try to swaddle her, and it wasn't happening. So I actually did like the arms, that's why they're unsnapped. So I did the arms out thing, hoping that might help. And like I said, I think she was more hungry than she was tired. But so that's the swaddle blanket. And I also, so it comes in a little carrying case like this, which is super cute. I did order, because I have faith in this and this is gonna work. So I did order the weighted sleep sack, which is the next step up. And they also have just a weighted blanket, which I did not order because I want to see how these go. And if she does good with them, later on down the road, I can order a weighted blanket if she wants it as a kid. But by then, hopefully she'll be old enough that she can make that decision, I guess, for herself. So the sleep sack, like I said, is very similar. So both of them come in this, and I'm assuming the blanket does too, come in this cute little carrying case. It's got all of the information. It tells you the age ranges. So the sleep sack is actually 6 to 12 months. So like I said, the Swaddle is from 0 to 6. And then the sleep sack is from 6 to 12. So it's the same kind of thing. It's a little bit bigger. These are just open. They don't snap. So they always have access to their arms. And I'm assuming I haven't actually opened this one. There's no swaddle inside of it. It's just literally just like a weighted sleeping bag, kind of. It's got the same thing where it zippers from both the top and the bottom to make diaper changes easy. And it's closed in the bottom, but it does leave room for them to have hip mobility. And what I was reading on the website is that it's actually like recognized by like the Hip Dysplasia Foundation. I don't know if that's like what it's truly called, but it's recognized by like the hip people because it allows hip mobility and allows them to sleep in like that M shape, which babies like. So I really liked that as well. So this again comes in the 4 colors. I got mine on Bye Bye Baby on their website, but I've also seen them on Amazon. And on the Amazon website, they have a different color. They have like a white one with like gray stars, which was super cute as well, but I wanted pink because, I mean, actually it kind of matches my outfit. But everything that she has is pretty much pink. So they do have that. I don't know if it's like an older version or something like that. Maybe that's different. And I also didn't click on it to see if they had different colors, but they do have them available on Amazon. You just may be limited with what colors you can have. She is cooperating at the moment, so I'm going to try to put her in this and show you guys. I may have to abort, and if that's the case, then so be it. But let me turn this so you guys will be able to see. As you can see, so I'm working on the nursery. So the nursery is kind of like a nursery / office / storage room. So that is her dresser that I've yet to set up because her changing table has drawers and I'm not able to fill them. So I'm like, I'm not going to set up the dresser because I don't need it at the moment. And I don't know if I'm moving when my lease is up in May or not. So I don't want to set it up. It's easier to move it in a box than it is to take all the dresser drawers out and move it that way. But I got her crib set up and I got her little like placard on the wall. So I'm like super excited. But anyways, so I'm sorry about the mess. But let me turn this so that you guys can see it. I think you guys can see that. If anybody's watching, can you guys see this? Let me know. If not, I'll try to adjust it, but it looks like I'm kind of in there. Come here, baby girl. Hi, you're probably not going to like this, but we're going to do it anyways. So you put their head, so it's, I know she's like cut off from the world. Bear with me. So you put their head so that it's kind of above, and then you just swaddle them down. Like I said, she doesn't like this. And babies will cry when you go to first swaddle them, and that's normal. But that's it. She actually did much better than I thought. And then, like I said, it does zip, so you have access for diaper changes without having to unswaddle them. And it evenly distributes the weight. Oh, it is machine washable. That was the other thing that I wanted to mention. I know that light is right in your face. So it is machine washable so that you can do that, which is super helpful, especially for mamas who aren't going to hand wash stuff. And I am totally that person. Here, you want me to let you out and we'll show them how the arms out looks? Let me see your arms. Yeah, you actually did much better than Mommy thought you were going to do. So this isn't ideal because I'm doing it quickly, but yeah, you're being so good. I did just feed her before this, so I'm hoping that she's got kind of like a little bit of that. But yeah. And like I said, the sleep sack only has the option with the arms out. So you guys can kind of see she's really cute. But it leaves room for them to grow because she's almost a month old and she's only here. So it does leave room for them to grow. They can move their legs around. But yeah, so that's the weighted sleep swaddle and the weighted sleep sack by, like I said, I got mine at Bye Bye Baby. You can get them on Amazon, but it's Dreamland Baby. And yeah, I'm very happy with it so far. Like I said, it's only day 1. I will try to do another video in a couple of days. I'll probably give it like a week to see to see how she does with it, and then go from there. So, oh, thanks, Lisa. I've actually heard a lot that she looks like me. I don't see it yet because I see her every single day. There's like a couple of things like facial expressions that she'll do that make me think of me, but I don't know. It's hard when you see them every single day because you see them every day. Hi, what are you doing? You want to come out? Yeah, I think you're done. So that's my little video on this. I got her mobile in today. I did post a picture of the some assembly required. So I will do another video. Probably won't be a live on these because I have so many things that just came in and I don't want to do lives every single day. But I did get the mobile in, so I'll do that. I also I ordered a couple of things for her to rest in, relax in while we're kind of just chilling so she doesn't just have the bouncer. So I'll do videos on that. Trying to think. I have her baby monitor. I have not opened it yet, so I'll try to do a tutorial on that as well. And then, yeah, if you guys have anything else that you guys want me to do tutorials on, be it products or like advice or like anything, just let me know. Shoot it in the comments. I will go through and look at the comments quite frequently so that I can kind of keep up with what you guys are looking for, and we'll go from there. So, hi, thanks for tuning in. Kenzleigh and I are gonna sign off for the evening. We'll probably do a couple more stories, maybe, don't know. I have to have dinner because I haven't had dinner yet. And we're gonna try to go to bed early. We're gonna try to get on a schedule and see what happens and go from there. So I will see you guys all later. I hope you have a really good night. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you soon.